Why are there so many songs about butterflies? Hey, what are you... But for now, we gotta help that poor guy. He was chased by that swamp creature to our city, or town, whatever this is. I'm not really sure if this is a big place or not, but I'm not sure if it's a town or city. What's gonna happen now? What's the new show? Right here! What do you need, Skippers? I need your help. I need you to help me get the chair up, and why am I staring at that thing? Okay, why am I staring at millions of people watching? Oh, dude, that's only like 4 people. Hi, 4 people watching. Okay, let's get to the main storyline. Alright, that was an absolute train wreck. Thanks, guys. Don't mention it. By the way, aren't you going to get out of that tire, Santa? We did change you at the end of that video. Do you guys seriously know the nearest FedEx? In Westonshire. Oh, that way.